Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook. We are here in Kenya, Kicheche.
Yeah.
And we're gonna learn some incredible things from Chef John here.
Yeah.
He's gonna teach us some traditional stuff that he makes with his tribe, which is the
Kikuyu traditional.
Traditional,
Yeah.
okay. And so we're gonna make some fun stuff today, and he's gonna show us what he makes, and it's gonna be delicious,
Yeah.
right? It's gonna be delicious,
Yeah, thank you.
right?
Yeah, you're welcome.
John, how long have you been working here?
10 years ago,
10 years ago?
since we started this camp, I've been working here. I start from staff cook.
Okay.
Now I'm the one with over the best on Kicheche.
You are the head chef.
Yeah, I'm the head chef of Kicheche
Yes.
since today.
Since today?
Yeah, since
Today, Today is your promotion day.
Yeah, it is my,
What?
it is my promotion today.
So who do we have here?
It's Chef Mike.
Chef Mike?
Yeah.
Okay. We got a couple other guys hanging out over here.
Then we have Chef Mwangi, Andrew, Sammy.
And now you're lucky you get to work here in this
Yeah.
beautiful, beautiful area. We have been here for the last couple of days and we've seen so many different animals. Lions, we've seen giraffe, obviously a lot of buffalo, elephants, you name it.
Yeah.
Today we saw cheetahs.
Okay.
So we saw 2 cheetahs, it was amazing. So
Is ugari is like porenta. In Kenya we call it ugari.
okay,
Our ugari there is no taste.
no taste.
Yeah, and then we'll make irio is a mixture of potato, spinach, sweet corn, and beans. And then we'll make a one of stew,
Turkey stew.
a turkey stew.
Okay,
It is best as a stew for
Okay.
ugari
okay,
or irio.
okay, excellent.
That is a Kenyans.
Can you tell me what we have here, what's going into this meal? Turkey, and what's this?
Fresh kashubari,
Onions and tomato, pepper?
green peppers,
Green pepper,
and some fresh herbs.
herbs, okay.
Cilantro, garlic, and onion, spinach puree.
Spinach puree.
This will give you the color. Yeah. And
Some
then
sweet
we have
corn?
Sweet corn. Those are beans.
And the beans, the kidney
Kidney
beans.
beans.
Okay. Flour, a little butter.
Yeah.
And what's in here? The potatoes.
Put a cup of flour.
So you're making a roux, little butter,
Yeah.
okay. How long have you been cooking, Chef Mike?
Oh, maybe about 15 years.
15 years, that's all? Wow.
Yeah.
Smash it. Mash, mash, mash.
Spinach.
Your spinach,
Get green.
okay. Wow. Now what do we got? I'm gonna go for a swim.
For swimming?
Where's the elephants? They were here earlier today. All right, so what do we got? Yeah,
Yeah. How is it?
that's great.
Okay.
I like it. Very simple.
The next step, we'll make a turkey stew. Onions.
Okay, throw some onion in there. Couple spoons of onion. Tomato puree. Okay. And you guys all made this, right?
Yeah.
Homemade back there.
Yeah.
No cans.
Uh-huh.
Turkey's coming in.
Yeah.
All right. And use some turkey breast. So how old do you have kids? You have kids?
Yeah, I have kids.
How old?
I have 2 years now.
2 years old?
2 years now.
Boy, girl?
Go.
Girl.
Yeah.
Do any of you have kids?
Yeah.
You have kids too?
Yeah.
Everybody's got kids?
Everybody here is busy.
And you have kids?
Yes.
Dad's That Cook! A little cilantro in the stew now?
Yeah. See the color?
Oh, yeah, yeah, that looks great.
Yeah.
Polenta.
Porenta.
Oh,
which
yes.
is ugari.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Wow, look at that. Look at that. All right, so should we get in and try it?
Yeah.
There you go. Get a fork and go for it, girl. You're gonna have the stew?
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Flavors are so good.
Okay.
I really like this.
Yeah.
So I want to thank you all for having us here. This was great. Thank you so much, John.
Amazing.
Amazing. So we're gonna throw these recipes up on my website.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And you guys can come check them out. And all you guys can check them out.
Yeah.
So we'll see you next time on Dad's That Cook.
Kicheche.
Kicheche.
Yeah.
Kicheche.
Kicheche.
No, Kicheche.
Kicheche. Kicheche. Kicheche. Kicheche.
Kicheche.
Kicheche. Or if you're Kikuyu, Kicheche.
Kicheche.
Kicheche. I
Kicheche.
Kicheche.
Mike.
Chef Mike, hurry!
Oh, yes.
There's the wild Nigel.
Yeah.
It's the wild Nigel. Hard to find, very rare.
Very rare.
Very rare. So if you guys all come home,
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
and live with me, because I need 4.
You need 4 people.
4 sous chefs.
Yeah.
And you're gonna have to remind me all the names of the dishes again.
Of the dishes. Yeah.
Okay, because Kicheche,
Kicheche.
Kicheche, Kicheche,
Kicheche.
right? Hey, thanks for watching. You like our videos? Well, then do me a favor and subscribe, because then we can update you on what's going on. You'll also know when we're giving away really cool stuff, which happens all the time. So make sure you subscribe, and we'll be in touch.